Okay, this is extra credit problem for Math 2B, Lecture 1 p.m. The problem comes from section 6.1, which is titled Area Between Curves. The book is by James Stewart, UCI edition, and in this section the problem is number 2. And what we need to do is find the area of the shaded region. And it already gives us, I already drew out the graph for us. The top function is y equals root of x plus 2. And the bottom one is y equals 1 over x plus 1. And it gives us the bounds as well, and we're going from x equals 0 to x equals 2. So the general formula for finding area between curves is the integral from a to b of f of x minus g of x. And in this case, we're doing top minus the bottom. So I wrote it out, and it's going to be the integral from 0 to 2, because we already know our bounds, x plus 2 to the 1/2, which is the same thing as the root of x plus 2, just easier to write, minus the bottom function, which is 1 over x plus 1 dx. So when we integrate this, the area is going to be 2/3 x plus 2 to the 3 over 2, because we add 1 to the exponent and bring it down, and we can just leave it because for chain rule, when we take the derivative of the inside, it's just going to be 1. So then we subtract the other function, and when we take the antiderivative of this, it's going to be ln for logarithmic of x plus 1. And then once again, we don't have to take the derivative of the inside is just 1, so we can just leave it. And then we're going from 0 to 2. Okay? So now we just need to plug in each of these into our function right here. So we have area, it's going to be 2/3, 2 plus 2 to the 3 over 2, minus ln of 2 plus 1, minus, now we plug in 0, 2/3, 0 plus 2 to the 3 over 2, minus ln of 0 plus 1. Now we just need to solve this out. So this is 4 to the 3 over 2 times 2/3, which would be 16 over 3, minus ln of 3, minus the second half, and 0 plus 2 is 2 times 3 over 2 to the 2 over thirds. I changed it because when you have the same, the basis for the exponent, you can add them together. So I got 2 to the 5 over 2 over 3 minus 0 because the ln of 1 is just 0. So our final answer is going to be 0 goes away. So we have 16 over 3 minus ln of 3 minus 2 to the 5 over 2 over 3, and that is going to be the area between these two curves. Thank you so much.